It's officially the spooky season. Every day this month, I'll be recommending an anime or a manga to get you into the Halloween spirit. On day 7, I thought I'd talk about something a bit more modern, the 2018 stop motion short film My Little Goat, written and directed by Tomoki Misato. So I think that the problem I often have with horror anime, aside from the fact that they just often aren't that scary, is that I feel a lot of them lack an emotional core. They don't really give you good enough reason to get invested with the characters. But My Little Goat is truly special because not only will it fill you with dread due to its tight pacing, extremely effective editing, and really disturbing imagery, it will absolutely eviscerate you emotionally every time you watch it. I don't want to give too much away, honestly. I'd recommend just diving right in. It's only 10 minutes long and it's available to watch here for free on YouTube. I'll add the link in the description below.